Hey guys, Randy with Pete's RV TV here today. So today I wanted to talk about solar and some of the stuff that comes along with it, just so as you're looking for RVs and you see something, you know what it is that you're looking at, because if you know how to use it, you can use it better. So anyway, let's talk about the devices that we have right here. So right here, this big guy from Victron Energy and this really cool Brinkley unit, this is going to be our inverter charger. So this guy here is going to actually take battery power, which we've got some lithium batteries underneath us here, and it takes that lithium power and it will convert it to 120 volt household power, so we can run some of the appliances in here off household power from our batteries, which you normally can't do without some cool contraption like this. The other thing that this thing does is it's actually our converter to our charging system. So it takes the power from either when we're plugged into shore power or we've got the generator running that 120 volt power. It converts it down to DC power so we can charge our batteries back up, so we've got good batteries after we've been plugged in for a while. And the best way to charge our batteries, we use some solar as well. And when we're using solar to charge our batteries, we're actually using this guy right here. So this is called a solar charge controller. And what a charge controller does is it takes the PV solar array, so the power that the solar panels produce, and it comes down to here. It's kind of like a voltage regulator, because solar array, the power changes depending on how bright the sun is and what time of day it is. So this guy kind of takes that and makes it all consistent and makes it really nice to go down and charge those batteries. So that's what a charge controller is going to do. And being it's an MPPT charge controller, that is just the best way of doing it. It regulates the power and uses the power very well to charge those batteries, unlike some of the less expensive models out there that will do the same job but not quite as effectively. So really good controller there. Have a lot of solar and a lot of lithium on a camper. That brings a lot of potential power and a lot of potential fast charging, right? And so when we hook this thing to the truck to pull it down the road, all that stuff is still working, and now we've mated the truck to it through the charge line, and so now our truck is in that system as well. And what can happen is actually you can hurt the alternator in the tow vehicle if we've got a dead battery and we're trying to charge it too quickly, because lithium is very it's a vacuum. It wants every bit of power it can get, unlike a lead acid battery that's going to be more of a resistive charge, a slower charge. So we got to be careful when we hook lithium and a lot of solar to our tow vehicles, or even put it in a motorhome. So we want to use one of these guys. So what it does, kind of regulates power between the two, and it's not going to allow that alternator to overheat by trying to charge that lithium battery. So it's kind of a voltage regulator for the truck. It will also bump up a little bit of power coming out of the tow vehicle so we can fully charge a lithium battery, because the tow vehicle charges at a different rate than a lithium battery in our camper. So if you've got big lithium and a lot of solar, you definitely want one of those DC to DC chargers in your motorhome or your towable, just so you don't hurt that chassis and the chassis components as well. So this guy down here, this is actually so we can hook this system to Wi-Fi and to Bluetooth, so we can kind of see what's going on with it. Interestingly enough, I had an update done on this inverter the other day from a gentleman sitting at a desk in Indiana. Took power of this whole system here and did all my system updates from his computer at his desk over at the Brinkley factory. So kind of cool to be able to hook it to Wi-Fi and let these guys get in those systems if you're having any trouble, or see what's going on with them. So anyway, in a nutshell, really cool system Brinkley put in here. Does a lot of great things for us, utilizes the lithium down below, and now you know what the parts are when you see them. So thanks for watching Pete's RV TV with Randy today. I look forward to seeing you on the road. Happy camping.